In today's video, I'm going to show you how to scan or share a QR code from your Trello board step by step. Whether you want to download the QR code and send it to someone, or simply have someone scan it directly from your screen using their phone, this quick guide will walk you through the entire process. This is perfect if you're sharing your YouTube planning board or any Trello board quickly and professionally. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to your YouTube planning board on Trello. You can do this by logging into Trello and selecting the correct board from your dashboard. Once your board is open and fully loaded on the screen, you're ready for the next step. Now look toward the top right area of your Trello board. You'll see the option that says Print, Export, and Share. Go ahead and click on that. This menu gives you different ways to share your board with others, including generating a QR code that can be scanned instantly. After clicking Print, Export, and Share, a small menu will appear. From the available options, click on Show QR Code. As soon as you click this, Trello will automatically generate a unique QR code that links directly to your board. At this point, you have two easy options. Option 1 is to let someone scan the QR code directly from your screen. If you're in the same room as the person you want to share the board with, they can simply open the camera app on their smartphone. Most modern smartphones automatically detect QR codes using the default camera app. All they need to do is point their camera at your screen, and a notification will pop up with the link to your Trello board. They can tap the notification and it will instantly open the board in their browser. Option 2 is to download the QR code as an image file. To do this, click on the Download button underneath the QR code preview. Once you click Download, the QR code will be saved to your computer as an image. From there, you can attach it to an email, upload it to a document, add it to a presentation, or even print it out for physical sharing. This is especially useful if you want to include the QR code in training materials, client documents, or team guides. After downloading, you can also test the QR code yourself. Open your phone's camera, scan the downloaded QR code from your screen, and make sure it directs you to the correct Trello board. This quick check ensures everything is working perfectly before you send it out to others. And that's it. That's exactly how to scan or share a QR code from your Trello board. As you can see, it only takes a few clicks to generate the code, and you can either have someone scan it directly from your screen or download it for sharing later. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more easy-to-follow software guides just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.